Okay guys, I show you how to install Oracle Solaris using VMware Workstation 10. Okay, first, you click create a new virtual machine. Then a dialog box appear. Okay, then click typical. Choose typical and then click next button. Okay, click next. Click next. And then you can customize your disk size to up to 20, but I choose 16. Then you click next, and then after that click finish. Okay guys, a dialog box appear. Then I think click OK. Then after you click OK, a black screen appear. Then I think click Solaris. Then you after click Solaris, it takes a few minutes to install something. So you click 1 in your keyboard, then press enter, and then after you press enter, it's loading. So it takes a few minutes to operate, to install. Okay guys, I'm back. Then after that, you click US English, then press F2 to continue. Then a message appear, press enter. Okay, after you press enter, you will see a box that you will choose what language you like, and then type 0, and then press enter. Then after that, you will see a loading box, I think. Yeah. Welcome to Oracle Solaris. Click next. And then choose non-network. Click next. And then you will type a host name. I will type HP Aldrin because it's my name. Then click next, continue, and then the current NFSV for default domain is click next. Okay, next, and then after that you will choose what country you are, and then choose Asia, and then find Philippines. then click Philippines and then click next. Okay, and you will set the time, month, hour, minute, whatever, and then click next after that, and then type a password. Type the password, and after that click next button. Oh, sorry, because the password is not much. I will try again. Okay, and then click next. After that, a note, this choice only affects initial install. It doesn't affect upgrades. I think yes. Click next and click confirm. And then welcome to Oracle Solaris. Okay guys, I click next. Dialog box appeared that said you must also manually eject the CD, DVD, or select a different boot device after reboot to avoid repeating the installation process. Okay, click OK. And then choose CD/DVD and click next. And then welcome to Oracle Solaris. It takes a few minutes to install the operating system in your computer. After that, a license box appeared, and click accept, and then click next, and choose default install, not custom install. Click next. And then after that, ready to install, and install now. And just wait, because it takes time. Okay, after the loading, a dialog box appeared that which is said pausing for 90 seconds. The wizard will continue to the next step unless the pause button is selected. Select continue button to proceed immediately. Of course, click continue to proceed. Okay, and then after that, a blue screen appear again. Click continue. Okay, click continue again, and then wait for a second, or I think a minute. While waiting, you can drink a coffee or make CR if you. And then after you wait, you choose I think in the black, click that, and then just wait for a second. And then the system will reboot. Okay guys, just wait. Okay. I think. You just wait again. Yeah. Okay, you will see the Oracle Solaris welcome to HPL Dream, and press enter your username, and then type your username, and I will type HPL Dream, and then okay. Then the password. Type your password. My password is root, ROOT. Then click OK.